We need to do something about climate change. Addressing climate change, you can only do that by looking at energy use and how we make our electricity. Climate change is going to impact on everything we do, but it does fundamentally impact on electricity networks. So we're going to have more bushfires, we're going to have stronger storms. They all fundamentally have a negative impact on the supply of electricity. So if you like, addressing climate change and energy are different sides of the same coin. The climate changes around us. How are we going to deliver a reliable, low-carbon electricity supply? My role with the company is to expand markets and ensure that the regulation and policy are suitable for energy storage here in Australia and globally. So we work closely with utilities all over the world to help them deliver electricity to their customers. 5-6 years ago, people thought that you couldn't store electricity. We very quickly moved from it's impossible to it is absolutely possible, and people are doing it. But that's a very rapid transition which causes all kinds of excitement in regulation and policy. S&C's role is to try and help a utility or a customer understand what electricity storage can do for them, what problem it is they're solving and how best to solve that problem. Science teaches you how to do research, it teaches you how to analyse technical data and how to report that data, and they're all really important skills. I've been appointed a member of the Order of the British Empire for services to energy technology and the community of Wiltshire. At the age of 40, I chucked in a sensible job, changed countries and became a poor student to retrain as a teacher. I'm just going to steadily put one foot in front of the other and just carry on. I don't think if I'd have tried to plan my career, I would have ended up here.